Hey, how's it going? Zach Calhoun here, co-founder of CloudPano.com. We got some exciting updates today, so I wanted to roll them out to you a few at a time in a few separate videos. So stick with me. If you don't know what CloudPano is, we are a 360 virtual tour platform. Upload 360 photos, create virtual tours and experiences for your clients. To try it out, let's go to our website, click Try It Out Now, or you can also upgrade right here, this big green button where it says Features, GoPro Plus, to use all our fancy virtual tour features today. Okay, so let's get started. When you click Try It Out or Sign In, it'll take you to your account and it'll open up a virtual tour. It'll look something like this. This is an example Lamborghini tour that I really like, so just wanted to bring it up as an example. So when you click Edit Tour, when you're logged into your account, your tour editor will appear. There's a couple new features that I wanted to show you. Over here on the sidebar is all your images. These images also appear in your thumbnail ribbon. So if your thumbnail ribbon is on, or in your settings right here, if you have the thumbnail option to minimize turned off, in this case it was turned on, so you can have them minimize if you want to. You show thumbnails below so you can navigate to each section of your tour via the thumbnails. Well, we now have the option to hide certain thumbnails if you wish. Just want to show you how this works. It's really simple. You just hover over this the thumbnail you want to hide. So I'll choose this interior one right here. And I'll click this button that says Hide from Ribbon, just like that. Then I'm going to click Publish. And you'll see here on this ribbon now that that interior photo is not there, but it still exists. If I click inside of it via the hotspot, I'm inside. So it's just a cool way to customize your tour. So as you think about the elements of your virtual tour, they're pieces, right? So you can customize which piece and how you want the experience to be for your clients or for your prospects or people viewing these tours, right? So it's up to you. So you can hide that element and hide that thumbnail. Also, if you noticed, when I clicked around into different scenes, we have now a scene ID that's been added to the URL. So why is this important, or how is it useful? Well, if you want to have a certain order of these thumbnails, you would adjust those thumbnail orders, that order in your sidebar tour editor we showed a moment ago. But if you want to start the scene or share a link directly to a specific scene, you have control of that now by this scene ID that we're adding on to the URL. So I'm going to actually copy and paste this here, this specific link, and then I'm going to go back to this first scene here. Now the first scene is going to be just your typical URL structure, app.cloudpano.com, or your private labeled URL. /tours/tour ID. Now, if I was to share the tour with the tour ID that I mentioned before, with the scene ID I mentioned before to add on to that URL, now when I load the tour, I'm at that specific scene. So now I can customize the experience of even start in the middle of a tour if I want to. So say you have a home or a car, showroom, or it's a marina, and you want to have the tour start inside of a boat, but the marina tour actually starts at the beginning of the dock or whatever. You can start the tour there and share this specific scene ID. So all kinds of things you can do with the scene ID tag added onto the end of these URLs. And that's important because you can customize that even further with your clients and with the experience that you want to create. So those two features are some recent updates that I wanted to share. And the best next thing for you to do is to try these out. So you go to cloudpano.com, you click upgrade, you upgrade your account, you check out some of our features that are already here. It's a low monthly fee to get started and be a virtual tour creator and start to use our basic Pro Plus level and try out cloudpano.com. Then as you like the features, of course, tell your friends, and then give us a positive review if you can. I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I got some more updates coming, so stay tuned.